Cocoa beans are the primary ingredient in chocolate confectionery products. Aside from sweet treats, cocoa has many beneficial health properties. Cocoa beans decrease inflammation, improve heart and brain health and function, and have benefits for blood sugar, weight control, healthy teeth, and has cancer protective properties. Unlike the other soft commodities, most cocoa production comes from West Africa, with over 60% of annual supplies grown in the Ivory Coast and Ghana. The equatorial climate allows cocoa beans to survive and thrive. In 2021, 4 of the 5 soft commodities posted double-digit percentage gains and rose to multi-year highs. Cocoa has been the only soft commodity that posted a loss in 2021. Cocoa has been a laggard in the soft sector compared to most commodities this year, and the worst performing commodities often become the best in subsequent periods. Meanwhile, cocoa has been trending higher since the turn of the century, and that trend is likely to continue in 2022. A bullish year for the Brazilian trio. While inflationary pressures lifted many raw material prices in 2021, the weather in Brazil caused significant rallies in coffee, sugar, and frozen concentrated orange juice futures markets this year. A July frost pushed prices higher as crop damage caused supplies to decline. Supply chain bottlenecks, increased transportation and energy costs, and COVID-19 created an almost perfect bullish storm for the Brazilian soft commodities. Brazil is the leading producer and exporter of Arabica coffee beans, free market sugarcane, and oranges. As of December 21, the 3 softs have moved appreciably higher than the closing levels on December 31, 2020. Nearby ice coffee futures closed at $1.2825 at the end of 2020 and was at the $2.2725 level on December 21, 2021, a 77.2% gain. Nearby ice world sugar futures moved from 15.49 cents per pound at the end of 2020 to the 18.70 cents level on December 21, 2021, moving 20.7% higher. Frozen concentrated orange juice futures moved from $1.2325 at the end of last year to the $1.3960 level on December 21, 2021, a 13.3% gain. The Brazilian soft commodities all traded at higher levels earlier this year, with coffee rising to its highest price since 2011, sugar to its peak since February 2017, and orange juice to its highest level since October 2018. Cotton moves to a 10-year high. Brazil is not the world-leading cotton producer and exporter, but the fluffy fibers price exploded higher in 2021. Cotton's rise from 78.12 cents at the end of 2020 to $1.0709 on December 21, a 37.1% gain. Cotton traded to a decade high at over $1.20 per pound in November. Cocoa is the only soft commodity that is lower in 2021. Meanwhile, cocoa's price performance has been disappointing compared with the other soft commodities. Cocoa futures closed 2020 at the $2,603 per ton level and were trading at $2,463 on December 21, 2021, a 5.4% decline for the year. Cocoa has been the lone bear in a bullish sector in 2021. 3 reasons why cocoa could catch up in 2022. 3 factors could push cocoa prices higher in 2022 after its disappointing performance in 2021. Rising inflationary pressures increase production input costs for all commodities, and cocoa is no exception. Fertilizer and energy prices have moved higher, making it more expensive to produce each bean. West Africa is not the most politically stable region in the world. Moreover, supply chain bottlenecks, transportation issues, and other logistical problems are global factors that could push cocoa to a higher price over the coming year. Despite the weak price performance in 2021, the long-term trend in the cocoa futures market remains higher. Cocoa has mostly made higher lows since reaching a bottom of $674 per ton in 2000. Nib is the cocoa ETN product. Cocoa could offer the best value for 2022 in the soft commodities sector. The most direct route for a risk position in the cocoa market is via the futures and futures options that trade on the Intercontinental Exchange, ICE. The iPath Cocoa Subindex TRSM Index ETN product, NIB, provides an alternative for those looking to participate in the cocoa market without venturing into the futures arena. At $28.10 per share on December 21, NIB had $22.387 million in assets under management. The ETN trades an average of 27,942 shares each day and charges a 0.7% management fee. The last rally in ICE March cocoa futures took the price from $2,333 per ton on December 1 to a high of $2,567 on December 16, a 10.03% rise. Over the same period, the NIB ETN rose from $26.50 to $29.39 per share or 10.91%. The ETN tends to do an excellent job tracking the cocoa futures price action on the up and downside. Cocoa has been a laggard in 2021, but it could emerge as a leader in 2022. The price action in the other soft commodities could have a magnetic impact on cocoa prices in the coming year.